Are you ready? Whoop. Okay, I can make this card disappear. Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's gone. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, na ba? Ang pikak mata ng mga bata. Okay, I'll do it one more time. I'll teach you na lang how it's done, okay? Again, I'll do it slowly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nasa likod. Okay, kids, you practice that at home, ha? Para magician ka naman, okay? If you learn that one, you will learn this one also. Watch, 1, 2, 3. With more. Yeah. You want another card, Magic? Okay, but this one is quite difficult. Watch. One more. Other side, watch. Last one. Okay, enough na. This is boring. Okay, next, Magic. Ay, magkatawa, sir. Listen ka na pagtahi. Okay, this one, I'm so proud of this. One of the most difficult magic tricks in the world. Who can guess what's inside the bag? Bird, no? It's a toy. It's a colorful toy. Very good, Rubik's Cube. Okay, who knows how to play Rubik's Cube? Who can solve Rubik's Cube all the colors? Wala, okay. Oh, kuya naman. Okay, you know, kids, I'm a master of Rubik's Cube. Yes, I can solve this in just 2 to 3 seconds. Hindi ka makuha. Kung nasa-isaling na ako. Impossible, okay? I'll show you, okay? By the way, i-appeal na ko ni sa Manila and I won second place. Pagpakit na ko ninyo. Yeah. Duwari mo ako ito ka-contestant, okay? Okay, all I need is a paper bag. Akong isuot pag-awasold na. Ready? Count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. And it's already solved. Okay, clap your hands. Wait, dapat din siya mahuhugol. Wait. Okay, give me a chance. Di ba nakabayaran na niya? I'll do it one more time, okay? Okay, tawag kong cheater dyan rin na pita. No, I'm not a cheater, ha? Okay. I'm just trying to make money. Okay, no more extra. Is there anything inside? Okay, watch. Are you ready? How many Rubik's Cube? Okay, count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And it should be solved. What? Oh, wala na. Okay, I'll do it again one more time without extra, without the paper bag. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, watch. Don't take your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, na daw ko extra sa likod. I'll do it one more time in front of you now. Okay, watch. And I'll do it slowly. Are you ready? Don't blink, ha? Okay? Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah, you got your hand. Do you want more?